Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a workspace on Airtable. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open an account on the Airtable, and after that you will get the create a workspace button here. So we have to click on the create a workspace. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see now, simply we need to provide the name here. So I'm going to write the name, for example, hello, and let's write the name. And now simply we just, what we have to do, we have to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, as you can see, start with the data or the start with an apps. For example, I'm going to choose start with the data. So you have to choose, and as you can see now, let's click on the get started. We have got 14 days free trial. So as you can see, we have got the 14 days free trial. So let's click on the get started, and after clicking on this, as you can see, your workspace is created. Now you can put your data and you can arrange this as per your needs. So we have to wait for a few seconds. It's loading. So as you can see, the view may be loading slowly due to large number of records or fields. So as you can see, now what you need to do, you have to wait for a few seconds or the wait for a few minutes. It's up to your device configuration and your internet speed, and after a few seconds you will be able to see all the data here. So in this way you can get your free trial, and in this way you can create your workspace. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. We'll see you guys in the next video.